Hello guys, andito kami sa Katibawasan Falls. Andito kami sa Camiguin. Eh Frank? Camiguin! We are in Camiguin! Ayan natin yung Katibawasan Falls. Oh, ayan na siya! Ayan na guys! Ayan na yung Katibawasan Falls! I heard, Frankie, the water here is so cold. Huh? Where is it? Oh, ja, maar Frankie, dat je bent met schoenen. Je kan de water niet voelen. Askat? Ik kan de water voelen. Ayan na siya! Ayan na! Maraming tao sa baba. Ayan na, grabe! Grabe! Ito na ito guys. Yan yung Katibawasan ko. Ayan. Nangiinggit ako, Maricel. Hi? Hi? Oh, you're hungry. You want food? Ha?
I will go.
Oh, you want food? Oh. So, ito na yung tubig, guys. Yung hot spring na tinatawag nila dito sa Camiguin. Tapos meron doon sa baba. Ayan. Mababaw lang ba? Dong, mababaw lang yung tubig? Ha? Mababaw lang? Oh. Tapos doon sa baba. Sa baba, pinakababa. Ah, okay. Ayun na siya guys, nandito na ako sa tubig. Oh. Ah! Oh my God! Oh, the water is cold, Scott. The water is cold. This is a hot spring, kaso lang malamig ang tubig. The water is cold. Oh my God! Woo. Hey Frankie. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi Frankie.
Cold spring.
Cold spring. Malamig, mainit. Mainit? Kasi ito malamig. Thank you. Alin pang begins ka to? Sa umay to? Wala. Hala mo, ambok siya. Tatalon ka? Tatalon ka?
Hindi pwede.
Ako, akala ko tatalon. Ay, Frankie.
Kung pwede nga lang.
I think that he will jump, but he will not jump. Hi guys, nandito kami sa ruin na yung church ba? Hi! Church na. Yung ano ng birthday. Dito?
That big tree, sir, is more than 150 years old.
150 years old na daw itong puno na to. Ayan siya guys. Bell Tower. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view sa baba. Oh. May dagat.
Dito kasi kami.
Hi! Ayan siya guys. Ito yung Rowan. Ayan. Ayan. Hi Frankie! Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh! Hi! Hi! Uy! Uy! May nagpicture.
Tingnan ko lang.
We go here. We're going to Mantigi Island. Hey Frank? Where's my Frankie? Hi, where are you going?
Natigan Island.
Mantigi Island. Mantigi Island. Kailangan ba mag-ano doon? Mag-vest?
Ma'am?
Mag-vest? Magsuot
ma'am.
ng vest?
Ano, ma'am?
Hi guys, andito na kami sa Mantigi Island. Where are you, Frank?
Natigan Island.
Mantigi Island! Ayan siya guys, oh. Oh, nabisan. Arang inita. Halasigi. Halisigi. Pagtungkas kainit. Oh, Frank? It's so hot. But we're still here. Huh? Ayan siya yung ano, yung mountains. Here. We are in Mantigi Island. Oh, Frankie? Hi, Frank.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
We are in Mantigi Island. Så ik zie mensen die gewoon spullen niet bij hoor. Oh ja, jawel, hier. Een paar mensen zijn spullen bij. Heb je tijd om mijn foto te maken? Ja? Punta na ako sa dagat guys. Sa dagat. Maria, maliligo na ako sa dagat, Maria. Oh! Oh! Lamig na tubig! Oh! Lamig na tubig! Oh! Oh! The water is cold! Oh my God! Oh, lekker. Lekker by the sea. Lekker by the sea. Oh my God. Lekker by the sea. Lekker by the sea. Yes. Hello from Mantigi Island. Hello from Mantigi Island. So many people here. So many people here, guys. So many people. Hi, Frankie. And how's the water?
Very refreshing.
Refreshing. Very refreshing. Huh? And how is the warmth here in the Philippines?
Good.
Good. Me ikan danitig. So warm. Eh? It's so warm here in the Philippines. Yeah, Frankie? So warm. We are here in Soda Water swimming pool. Soda Water swimming pool. The water is so cold. Maginis ako. Hello guys! We are in the Soda Water swimming pool. Look you guys up. Hey. And there is Frank. Hi Frankie! Come in the water. Come. Look you guys. And it's cold. It's cold. I told you. It's cold. The water is cold. Refreshing. Eh? How much, Emma? Maar het is ook lekker.
Ja.
The water is so clear, eh?
Ja.
Ali anymore, so I work here now. Apa?